Hi, Andrew here from Harmony Hearing. My client John is a professor at UWA. He's explained to me that hearing loss affects his life's greatest pleasure, his enjoyment of classical music.
Hello, I'm John Scott, and I'm now in my 94th year. You see, I'm trying to impress you. I'm 93 years old, and I'm completely on my own. So in recent years, I've turned more and more to my lifelong passion for music. And of course, I've discovered that with advancing old age, that I've become increasingly more deaf and unable to appreciate the beauty of music, which is so important to me.
We recently fitted John with a new pair of hearing aids. He can hear speech more clearly now, but we really need to try and improve how he perceives his enjoyment of music. Today we're going to install and fine-tune a dedicated music program. We'll be using our high-fidelity surround sound speaker system and playing John his selected pieces of music. That way he can gauge how each adjustment affects his perception of the music. John, we'll start by playing you a short piece, and I'd just like you to let me know how it sounds. Here we go.
No, it sounds pretty awful.
Well then I'm going to increase the soft gain in the high frequencies a little bit more. Okay, I'll play some more.
That's better.
Yes, yes.
But it's a little tinny and sharp,
Oh, okay.
I'd say.
Oh, okay, fine.
But
Look,
it's better.
Oh, good. Well, I'm going to introduce a little bit more low to mid frequency gain. And again.
Oh, that's much better.
Oh, good news.
Yes.
So it's
Yes.
great, great.
Yes, I can recognize it well and enjoy it.
Oh, good news, John.
Yes.
Great, great. We took the time to fine-tune the frequency response and balance the sound. John is now delighted. He feels that music and classical music sounds like it used to.
I must say that Harmony Hearing and Andrew have given me back one of the essential pleasures, one of the few pleasures left for me, the beauty of the sound of music, and I am truly and profoundly grateful.
If you want a holistic hearing solution that can include music enjoyment, then contact Harmony Hearing today. And for more videos, please like and subscribe. We look forward to hearing from you.